Cubital Fossa. It is an inverted triangle.
It is a triangular depression present in front of the elbow joint. It has the base, the apex, lateral boundary, the medial boundaries, the roof and the floor. The roof is formed by skin, superficial fascia and deep fascia.
Contents of the roof: cephalic vein, basilic vein, median cubital vein connecting cephalic vein with the basilic vein, lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm, medial cutaneous nerve of forearm, this is cephalic vein, this one is basilic vein, here the median cubital vein, this one is bicipital aponeurosis.
The floor is formed by two muscles, brachialis and supinator muscle.
Floor is formed by supinator muscle and brachialis muscle.
Lateral boundary is formed by medial border of brachioradialis. Medial boundary is formed by lateral border of pronator teres. This one is brachioradialis, this one is pronator teres. Apex is formed by meeting point of lateral and medial boundaries. The base is directed upwards. The base is formed by imaginary line passing between medial and lateral epicondyles. Base is formed by an imaginary line passing between medial and lateral epicondyles of the humerus. Now we will see about the contents. Contents of the cubital fossa from medial to lateral side. The median nerve, brachial artery and its two terminal branches. They are radial artery and ulnar artery. Then the venae committents accompanying the brachial artery. Then tendon of the biceps brachii muscle. Then radial nerve. At the level of lateral epicondyle, the radial nerve divided into two terminal branches. They are superficial branch of radial nerve and deep branch of radial nerve. Deep branch of radial nerve is also known as posterior intraosseous nerve. This posterior intraosseous nerve piercing the supinator muscle and passing to the posterior compartment of the forearm. This is supinator muscle pierced by posterior intraosseous nerve. Contents of the cubital fossa from medial to lateral side. The median nerve, brachial artery, tendon of biceps, radial nerve and its two branches, superficial branch of radial nerve and a deep branch of the radial nerve. Deep branch is also called posterior intraosseous nerve.
Clinical anatomy of the cubital fossa. Brachial artery is one of the content of the cubital fossa which is used for measurement of the blood pressure. Pronator syndrome, which means compression of median nerve between two heads of pronator teres muscle. Median cubital vein is vein of choice for collection of blood samples and intravenous injection. It is also used for cardiac catheterization. Biceps reflex is one of the deep tendon reflex which is used to examine the functions of C5 and C6 nerve roots. How to elicitate biceps reflex? The examiner's thumb is placed over the patient's biceps tendon in the elbow crease and struck sharply with the tendon hammer. The normal response is reflex contraction of the biceps and flexion of the elbow. Brisk or strong reflexes are found in upper motor neuron lesion. Absent or reduced reflexes are found in lower motor neuron lesion. Any change in biceps reflex indicates injury at the level of musculocutaneous nerve or spinal segment C5-C6 or spinal cord above the level of C5-C6 or injury in the brain.